What's up, guys? We're out here at the Boys Park in Florida, and we got the Bigfoot sitting on some new paddle tires that we're gonna try out. We got these new paddle tires for the Sledge 4x4, not exact size for the Bigfoot here, but we're gonna give her a try. It's gonna be a little windy today, but let's get a little bit of sand content. You know we love our paddle tires. You can tell, little less. I mean, it's got good grip, but they're a little less fat and big than the Stampede ones, of course, because they're the Rustler paddle tires, but still moving pretty well. Looks so funny on those little wheels. See if we don't burn up another motor. Already sound like the gears clicking. She's moving though. Doesn't want to get stuck. Oh yeah. No. Oh, we're good. Yes, sir. Turning quite, I think turning a little bit better than on the regular Bigfoot tires. No, it still doesn't want to turn. Oh, I'm hearing some noise. I'm hearing some noise. I think the gear's going out. We'll just use it till it's gone then. No. Let's get a flyby here. She just wants to wheelie. I'm getting peppered in sand. Can't turn. Why can't I turn? Look at this. I've been trying to turn for the last 2 minutes. That was full blast. Oh no, tumble! Yes, we're back on our wheels. Yes, sir! That's what the paddles are made for, wheelies. Speed! There's full blast. Oh! When it gets squarely on it. Oh, tumble. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Ah, 5 minutes on the dot. All right, well, that was a lot of fun, though. Don't worry, guys. I got the Maxx. Okay guys, if you buy anything off of our website, such as our t-shirts, hats, or anything, you get automatically entered to win a brand new red Sledge. So go check out lifeofballin.com and get yourself entered today. Alright guys, now we got the Maxx out here. Mrs. Bulletproof, I like to call her, at the Boys Park Beach. And we're gonna let her rip today. Oh yeah, wheelies. Oh, she ripping. Let's get a flyby. Picking up all these little rocks and stuff. Woo. Let's see what we can get going here. We get her on 2 wheels. Right now she's not wanting to turn. Well, I mean, turning better than usual. There we go. First wheelie. Nice. There we go. Full blast. She's moving pretty good. She loved doing wheelies. She's throwing some freaking sand. Let's get a wheelie coming by. Oh, sand everywhere. Hello.
Right, Dubois. Dubois, is it Dubois?
The boys.
The boy, we the boy.
The boys pack.
Yeah, I got my hard glasses on. Drove the Maxx a little bit. Bigfoot died.
Yeah.
Well, her deer died. And yeah, having a good old time doing what we do. It's St. Patty's Day, baby.
Let's go. Not bad. A little bit of a jump. Little bit of a jump here. I was trying to go for that big one. Just a little baby jump. How's it going? You want to drive it?
Sure.
All right, now Cass is driving. If the Maxx is out, Cass has to drive it.
Always, always.
There you go, there's some wheelies. Oh. Wheelie! That was a good wheelie. And a jump.
Yeah.
Ah.